There are many ways to find the data that you are looking for. No matter which HCI platform you are on, you can always type /indicators into the URL to get to the dashboard landing page. Many HCI platforms have links to their dashboard landing page from their navigation bar or homepage. On this page, you can search by keyword by typing in this search bar and clicking enter. Next to this field is the advanced search feature that allows you to build a custom dashboard. Here, you can also use the drop-downs to find a specific indicator or location. For example, I can click in the Find an Indicator field and then either scroll through the different indicators, or I can start typing to filter for the title I want. The same works for the Find a Location dropdown on the right. Next to the Find a Location dropdown is a map icon. If you click this, you can choose a locale type and then click a location to show all the data for that particular location. Further down this page are curated dashboards. The dashboards consist of a group of indicators that were specifically curated for this website on specific topics. Click one to learn more about that topic.